Razi Grows here. Right now we're in the production room. This is where we do most of the crypto mining. As you can see, we got the booth for the ASIC miners over here. Bring the power supply. We got broken down miners that need repair, attention. A little bit of everything, I guess, guys. But I don't know if anybody else can relate, but anytime I have any of my little hobbies or toys, anytime anything happens to them and they break, I will just go buy a new one, right? And then that one will break, and then I will go buy another one, and then that one will break, and then I go buy another one, and then that will break, and then I go buy another one. So now I got to the point where I have a whole lot of broken stuff, and like now it's to the point where I don't even want to buy another one because I can fix my old ones. So here's the problem, guys. I need some direction of clarity on what to fix next. Should I fix one of the RC cars over here? One of the electric skateboards over here? Should I fix this broken skateboard over here? This one got water damage in Florida, and it no longer works. Should I fix the PC? Should I fix the electric scooter? I don't know, guys. Let me know in the comments below.